How to access DuckDuckGo email and how it works. First, search DuckDuckGo email and click on this website, duckduckgo.com/email. Next, we need to install the extension for Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome. It will direct us to the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome and add the extension. Now we are also protected by this extension every time you search the internet. Go back and click on Get Started, click Next. Read the terms and conditions and click Next. Here we are going to write our new Duck email address. So this is the address you will give to people to cover your real address. For me, it is going to be one click later at duck.com, and through this address I will receive emails to my real address, one click later at gmail.com. Click Continue, and if it is free, you will see this. Just confirm if it is correct. Check your real address to confirm your new Duck email address. I confirmed on my phone, but it will look the same on web. I got my Duck address, click Next, and that is it. I'm going to test it now. Let us just send an email to ourselves to see if it works. Here I got an email that I am going to send to myself. If you did not receive an email, just check your spam. Here we go. As you can see, DuckDuckGo tells you if the email is safe, if there are no hidden scam links, and so on. So in this way, your email is more secure and anonymous. Thank you for watching and see you.